Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually add supports in OrcaSlicer. So first, what we are going to do is place your 3D model on virtual build plate. So basically open your project, then click on it and look at the top toolbar at the very top of your screen, right here at the top. So now what we are going to do is click on the support painting. So this is this one, sorry, right here. With this support painting, you can also press L on your keyboard like that. Now it looks like here a small settings window titled support painting will pop up on your screen. Inside that pop-up window, select how you want the brush to behave. So we have circle. Then we have also sphere, paints a standard circular dot wherever you click. You can use the slider to make the brush bigger or smaller. So let's say this one, something like that. Now I need to wait a few moments. So it takes a bit of time. So now I have selected circle. If I do that, something like that, you can see that color is changing. Now I also can select fill and click on the nose of this guy right here, as you can see. And when I am happy with it, with that, what we are going to do is move your mouse over your 3D model and use your mouse clicks to place your support. So uh, the green color, what you're going to do is just simply click left and drag your mouse over the areas that need help. And yeah, when you are happy with that, just click done, and this is pretty much it. You can then slice plate button in the top right corner of the screen, and yeah, you will see here the sliced and supports. And this is basically it, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.